AI models have numerous applications and benefits in the manufacturing industry. From my diary. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, consultant, mentor, and YouTuber. AI models have numerous applications and benefits in the manufacturing industry. Here are some key reasons why AI models are used in manufacturing. 1. Quality control. AI models can be utilized to enhance quality control processes in manufacturing. By analyzing sensor data, images, or other relevant information, AI models can detect defects, anomalies, or patterns that indicate potential quality issues. This enables manufacturers to identify and address problems early in the production process, minimizing waste, and ensuring consistent product quality. 2. Predictive maintenance. AI models can predict equipment failures or maintenance needs in advance by analyzing sensor data, historical maintenance records, and other relevant parameters. By identifying potential issues before they occur, manufacturers can schedule maintenance activities more efficiently, prevent unexpected downtime, and optimize the utilization of resources. 3. Supply chain optimization. AI models can optimize supply chain management by analyzing historical data, demand patterns, market trends, and other factors. These models can provide accurate demand forecasts, optimize inventory levels, streamline logistics, and enable efficient allocation of resources. This improves production planning, reduces costs, minimizes stockouts, and enhances customer satisfaction. 4. Process optimization. AI models can analyze vast amounts of data collected from manufacturing processes to identify bottlenecks, optimize workflows, and improve efficiency. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, manufacturers can identify process parameters that affect quality or yield, optimize energy consumption, and reduce waste. This leads to increased productivity, reduced costs, and improved resource utilization. 5. Autonomous systems. AI models enable the development of autonomous systems in manufacturing. Robotics and automation integrated with AI algorithms can perform complex tasks, such as material handling, assembly, or inspection, with high precision and efficiency. These autonomous systems can improve productivity, reduce human error, and handle repetitive or dangerous tasks. 6. Demand forecasting and planning. AI models can analyze historical sales data, market trends, and external factors to provide accurate demand forecasting and production planning. By predicting demand fluctuations and customer preferences, manufacturers can optimize production schedules, minimize inventory levels, and reduce the risk of stockouts or overstocking. 7. Energy efficiency. AI models can optimize energy usage in manufacturing facilities by analyzing real-time data from sensors and equipment. By identifying energy-intensive processes or equipment inefficiencies, manufacturers can implement energy-saving measures, optimize energy consumption, and reduce operational costs. 8. Product design and optimization. AI models can assist in product design and optimization by analyzing customer feedback, market data, and performance metrics. They can identify design flaws, suggest improvements, and even generate new design concepts based on customer preferences. This facilitates product innovation, reduces time to market, and enhances customer satisfaction. Overall, AI models in the manufacturing industry enable more efficient operations, improved decision-making, and better utilization of resources. They contribute to increased productivity, enhanced quality control, optimized supply chain management, and overall cost savings. By leveraging AI technologies, manufacturers can gain a competitive edge, adapt to market dynamics, and deliver higher value to customers. Thank you.